In just 5 years, some jobs will completely vanish. If you don't want to get left behind, watch till the end. Job #5 might surprise you. Welcome to Fekrfact, where facts meet the future. Let's dive in. Call center operators. AI voice assistants and chatbots are getting so good that companies are replacing entire support teams. Why pay people when AI can respond instantly, 24/7? 2. Bank tellers with mobile banking and digital wallets. Fewer people visit physical branches. The role of human tellers is slowly fading away. 3. Drivers, taxi and trucking. Self-driving technology is advancing faster than expected. Companies like Tesla, Waymo and Uber are already testing driverless fleets. 4. Data entry clerks. Simple, repetitive tasks like entering numbers or copying info. AI handles that faster, cheaper and without errors. 5. Low creativity content creators. If your content is just copy-paste or basic translations, AI like ChatGPT can already do it better. But if you're creative, original and human, you're safe for now. So, was your job on the list? Don't panic. This is your sign to upgrade your skills. Want to know what future-proof careers will rise instead? Drop a comment, future jobs, and follow Fekrfact so you don't miss what's coming next.